Hey, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get access into the new membership area for your GHL Code Snippet libraries. Okay, so for now you may go to the Learning tab, and then you can get access to your GHL Code Snippet Unlimited Pro version if you're using the premium version of GHL Code Snippet, and also you can get access to the free version from here, from the Learning tab. Okay, but to get access to the new members area, you just need to click here. Okay, this menu, and then you will see three different options: communities, affiliates, and then the courses. Okay, you need to click on courses, and once you click on it, then it will take you to the library of our different membership. Okay, so you can see here we added all different sections of our course snippet libraries here, and now you can just simply go there. You don't need to a long scroll to find the course snippet. Okay, so that's why we make different categories, and then we made a different membership for each of them, and all our premium member already get the access. And again, one more thing, if you still don't see these into your GHL Code Snippet account, then you just need to email us or let us know on our communities. Okay, we will check everything from our end and make sure that you have the access. Okay, so if you already the premium member, then you can do this. Okay, otherwise you can check from here. Always just need to click this menu and then go to the course, and from the course you will get see these. Okay, so the first one is our let me show you the product and pricing. Okay, product pricing and from order form. Okay, so you will see the new updated code, everything here now, because we are not going to update our previous members area, because we are just trying to make everything simple and easy to access for all our users. That's why you will just need to get access to the new members area. Okay, so now it's fully categorized, and you can easily get access to a required course snippet. Okay, so we are going to add all our new course snippet to this membership. So you need to navigate always here to get access to your course snippets. Okay, so that's it. In some case you don't find any course snippet into this library, then we may not edit it here, because one more thing, we are working with a lot of different course snippet now, and we have about 50 plus new course snippets upcoming. Okay, and we are recording videos, we are testing those course snippets before make it public for all of our users. Okay, so that's actually make some delay to release the new course snippet for now, but we are trying our best to release the new course snippets as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.